got the Z. It needs a battery now, so if I turn it off, the car's not going to turn on. So about to test the belt. Drive it home, turn it off, get a new battery, replace it, then go data log. So hopefully everything's good this time. Soho sent like perfect instructions, so everything should go well this time. Alright, we got the new battery in, everything's back together, car turns on, new battery's in, car's on, so all that's left is data log. Well, drive it more, do a pull, hope this belt actually stays on, and then, you know, finally take the car back to my place, so see how it goes. Alright, so I had to fucking go buy a cable to plug this in because this thing randomly died on me, so I couldn't data log. So I have it plugged in charging. I'm about to go put some more miles on the car. I'm gonna let this charge and see if it works without it. It should, and then after that finally do a data log and hope the belt holds up. But today's just been hectic, just new battery, having to find a cable for this thing because I don't have mine on me, and then yeah, I mean, hopefully the supercharger belt holds up fine, and then I gotta get this thing registered tomorrow. So yeah, I mean, it's been running fine, but I guess we'll see what happens. Alright, the moment of truth. We're gonna go drive this thing. Honestly, don't even want to, because I just keep thinking the same thing's gonna happen. And it's just getting really annoying, so one last look at the belt before it shreds again, because it's probably going to shred again. Did everything correct. Did everything how Soho said with their new updated instructions. So let's just see how everything goes. I had like 20 plus miles of this new belt, new setup. So Soho says between 10 and 20 miles. So I'm at 20 miles. That just says 11 because I changed the battery, so everything's off. Alright, I'm gonna get on it a little bit on this 2 turns, and then I'm gonna drive back. That'll be like almost 40 miles of braking, if not 50 miles. I don't know if that's the fucking belt or what. It's pissing me off. I'm not even giving it fucking full throttle. I'm giving it like maybe half. I'm gonna pull over and check the belt since it's already acting funny. Okay, let's check. Fine so far. That's weird. Fuel pressure's at 65, 70-ish. Alright, let's give her a send. I don't know if that's me then or what, or if the belt's adjusting. I can't tell, or if it's a tune. I don't know. It's just weird and it's annoying me. hate going to red line like that, but honestly, that sounded badass. Let's check the belt. I wonder if it's broken. Let's see how it looks. Oh look, the same result. The same result. It's still fucking shredded. All over my fucking engine bay. I love this kit. Honestly, just don't have any more words for this shit. Like, this is the third belt. We sent the revision. Same fucking result. I don't know what the fuck else I'm supposed to do. They sent updated, very detailed instructions. Same issue. One fucking pull. I put almost 50 miles on this bitch before I actually did a fucking pull. I don't understand. Alright, so after talking with Soho, they actually, texted me back. Thankfully, I mean, we've double checked everything. We did notice there was a little bit of wear on the back pulley that has a little bit of damage, but that was from the old setup, so we're thinking it could possibly be that pulley could be slightly off now. So that could be what's causing the belt to shred, because it's only happening between 5,500 RPM and redline. It's not happening when I get, below 5,000 RPM. So something, I don't know, something really specific is happening, like just between the high RPMs. So gonna get the car registered tomorrow, and just gonna keep it here, see what Soho says tomorrow. And if it's a pulley, okay. I mean, I just hope they can think of something. I hope they just don't try to say, oh yeah, it's your mechanic's fault. It's like, no, like he did everything that they said to do. He followed the instructions. We did the steel and cog setup style, like their instructions before Soho had the updated instructions. I'm just really fucking frustrated, but I mean, I don't know. What's weird is like, it still pulls hard. I can get in it right now and go floor and it's not gonna slip. It's just, I don't know what's causing that belt to freaking tear. I just don't get it. So, but I'm just gonna keep it here and just be patient. And it's just frustrating because I already paid for my tune, and like, it's just fucking annoying. But oh well. See you guys tomorrow. Day 2, gonna go get the car inspected. I mean, I did a pull off camera the other day, and the belt's like, it still pulls fine, so I don't know. Waiting for Soho to see what they say and what our solution's gonna be. But I mean, at least the car still drives fine. I'm almost tempted to just leave the belt how it is, but I know I don't need to be doing that. Sounds so good though. Alright, got the car inspected. I'm just gonna go back home, eat some breakfast. The mechanic, because he runs his own shop, he thinks the head unit is bad. Something's happening between 5,500 RPM and 8,000 RPM on this car when you get to high RPMs. So we think the head unit's bad and it's getting out of whack whenever you get up the RPM. We're on our way back to the shop, and then it's gonna stay there and wait to hear what Soho says. My friend and I, we have a plan. What he's gonna do is whatever Soho sends me next, or whatever we do next for this thing, is we are going to, once the new belt's on again, we're going to put this thing on the lift, and we are going to do a data log on the lift instead of on the street. We are going to put this on the lift, let it warm up, barely have the wheels off the ground basically, and do a pull and go all the way to redline, and we're gonna see what the hell is going on with this freaking supercharger kit, because something is happening between like 5,500 RPM and 8,000 RPM. Something's happening that's making that belt want to slide and get torn, and we don't know what it is because we followed all the instructions. We're coming to the conclusion that yeah, it could be that pulley, or it could actually be the whole supercharger like unit itself could actually be bad, because I mean this is a brand new kit, and it was honestly, this whole thing was rushed because I know Soho had a bunch of orders already, then new orders, so I know they were rushing this out as fast as they could get it out. So usually when you rush products you have flaws, but at least Soho is helping me figure out this issue. I do appreciate their service. Like, it's frustrating, but they're doing everything they can to help me and figure out what the solution's going to be. And the fact that, you know, they've been sending me parts and not even having to worry about labor issues or anything, like, it's just nice. So just a little bit longer, guys, and hopefully the car will be running fine. What I don't understand is, like, right now it drives fine with the belt, like, barely, like, with the belt, like, much thinner, even though, like, the car drives fine right now. I can still get on it and it still drives fine. I haven't gone to redline, obviously, but it still drives fine. So I just don't understand. I really want to put this to redline, and I want to see if it tears it even more. If it doesn't tear it, then we know for sure, like, it's moving it, like, just a little bit. Or if it does tear it, then obviously something's happening. Something seriously wrong is happening. But I don't want to do that right now, and I don't want to cause any more damage. So I'm just gonna have to live with it how it is right now. Just be waiting. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll keep you guys updated with what's going on. Alright, so it's the end of the day, and Soho did reach out. They're gonna send a pulley, the bolt, the bracket, and the hardware. That's what they're gonna be sending. So just gotta wait for that to come in. That'll be the next video whenever we have the Z back together. So I appreciate you guys being patient. Shout out to Soho for helping me figure out whatever this issue is, and hopefully this will finally fix it, since they're replacing, like, you know, almost everything. So it's basically a new cog setup. So hopefully everything goes well, and I will see you guys whenever that's done. It'll probably be a few weeks from now when you guys are seeing this video later today or tomorrow. It'll probably be a few weeks, so it just depends on when they ship it and how fast I can have my mechanic install it, because he does have other cars. So we'll see you guys later.